I'm gonna need to fix this. Hey guys, Dave Anderson here. Welcome to Helicool's Helipad. Today I'm going to be taking care of some of these rotten bungees. Got a new whole roll of the Better Bungee, made in the USA, custom bungee system. I'll leave a link in the description. You guys are gonna have some fun today. Stay tuned. All right, so if you have this type of canvas, you can pretty much follow the directions here, but I'm going to go ahead and if somehow these are all removed and you don't really understand how to do it, you first put it through the very corner, the back side, slip it down through the opposite corner, okay, and then you're going to want to put it up through this corner so that this side is where the end is facing out. I actually need probably just a little bit more to do that. Okay. Now this one you're gonna wanna stuff underneath. And then put it through the hole. Boy, this is pretty stout stuff. All right, there we go. This is the old, this is the new. Looking pretty good. So mine has a corner piece that tucks over, and it also has a midpoint piece that tucks over and needs to be drawn towards the rear. The bottom piece here, or the inside piece, let me pop this one out. As you can see, it not only has a pole that's straight down, but it also has a pole towards the front. And that holds that piece nice and taut. If you just kind of go up and over these, and it's just one piece the whole way, on a style like this, it's not going to keep the tarp nice and taut like it's supposed to be. So I've got a lot of these that I'm going to have to do. So I'm going to time lapse this again. Well guys, as I'm plugging along, I see what I think is a mistake. So that's the tail of Malachi, and this is the first piece that comes up. Now this one was stretched right to this hook, but look what was happening. I mean, it was like stretching it like it was the wrong angle. So I think what I'm going to do is change it. So instead of this hook that it goes to, it's going to be to the one furthest up, or further up. And I think that'll give a better angle than what was done here. So a little boo-boo, I think, on their part, but easily fixed. Well, I'm all out of the roll. This is how much I have left. So you're thinking, wow, that's cutting it pretty close, right? Well, I still have the front 1/3 to do. And you know what? It's not like I, got this really loosey-goosey. I mean, it's what I consider right. So guys, if you have this style of canvas, you're gonna need to buy 2 of these rolls because one just ain't gonna cut it. I bought this high-speed low drag light last year before Christmas. I actually bought a set of 4 of them. 3 of them will be going on my F350. But anyway, this is what I want to replace. This piece of junk that the bulb is so weak that it just doesn't light up anything. So this is what I want to do to replace it. The cool thing about this is I can just about put this thing, I can turn this bracket around and mount it back this way. It's really pretty cool. So let's get that done. Let's pull this out first. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward to remove this. Just go on the back side of where the light is. 14 millimeter. There's 2. Two of these little guys that are holding it on. There we go. All right, it is free. That is it. I'm just looking inside here. There's just 2 incandescent light bulbs, and man, they just didn't light up anything.
The black wire from the light goes to ground, so strip it and attach it to the ground of the vehicle, or put a ring on it and run it through the hole that the bolt will go through. The red wire goes to power. Put a post-type solderless connector on it and push it into the existing vehicle plug.
So I'm just going to finish that up with painting the bezel a OD green, and I think that will match the truck really well. There's a whole bunch of projects coming up. Some, or most, not so small as these, but man, it's just been a long time coming. I just had to get some of these other little projects done, and it sure feels good when you get those things done that have been bothering you for about a year. Like that light right there. It's really cool. Hey guys, I really appreciate you joining me today. These projects, they're They may seem a little bit mundane, but I've been holding off on doing a lot of these things because I was working on Patricia and trying to get that thing absolutely taken care of. So winter is coming, and it's going to be, I hear, a very wet winter here in Southwest Washington by Farmer's Almanac. But that's okay. Washingtonians are kind of used to this kind of weather. Anyway, I'm going to be signing out. You guys, be safe out there, and God bless. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you really liked the video, click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, love for you to subscribe. Just click on my face. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So I really appreciate your help. Tell your friends about us. I would really appreciate it. Leave a comment. That's always acceptable too. Click another video now.